Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Wednesday the 30th of August. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the Nasdaq100 index. What we'll see is that overall it remains okay. It's getting support from the moving averages, but the MACD is a concern. Okay, so as usual, let's start with the daily, and so each candle represents 1 day's trade. You can see that we're presently in a flag formation. You can see the flag created here, the triangulation pattern of a flag that's characterized by lower highs, but then slightly higher lows as well. It will break in a direction. As yet, that direction is uncertain. Given the momentum previously in the market, one would expect it to be to the upside, but let's wait and see. Overall, the chart does still remain okay. I find it quite encouraging that we're finding support from this blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. We've had 2 very heavy loss days that has found immediate support at this 50-day, and the advance that we've had over the last 2-3 days has been a bounce from that 50-day as well. The 20-day, the yellow line, has been trending down, but that's now turning back up, and in fact at yesterday's close we were above that 20-day moving average. The RSI is actually just trading flat, not really showing any momentum either upside or downside, but it is presently above 50, which is encouraging at 53.49. The MACD has been negative actually since the start of August. Still negative, but the differential has now narrowed to virtually zero. If they can turn round and the short go back above the long, that would be indicative that maybe we are going to get a break to the upside. Slight concern that they are moving down there. Moving on to the weekly, so each candle here represents 1 week's trade, and as you can see, the flag it's only a very short term. We've had a lot of other flags in this weekly over the last couple of years, well above the moving averages. Got support back in July from the 20-week moving average, and that's now given the push up as well. We nearly came back to that last week. The RSI is slightly in a downtrend, but it's well above 50, 64.29, so okay there. MACD has actually just started to flash a sell signal on this weekly as the short term moves down below the long term, so keep your eye on that. Again, the MACD a concern. And on the short term, so this is the 4-hour charts, each candle represents 4 hours trade. You can see that we've gone through, when we went through the 20 and the 50 average on this chart, they were moving down, so should have given resistance. They didn't give much resistance. We've now gone above the 200 average, which was moving up. We've held above it. That will now give support. You can see that there is actually resistance from previous trading above the spot at the moment, and that stretches up to 59.80 with key levels seen around about the 59.25 and the 59.50 level. RSI here has broken its downtrend and is well above 50 at 60.91, and actually the MACD here has moved round, moved back above zero, short term above long term, and is indicating a buy signal. So looking at the support and resistance levels, the first resistance is from the 16th of August, 59.47.3. with the second resistance 59.67.4, with supports at the moving averages 20-day 58.62.42, and then the 50-day 58.16.9. So that's been TA for traders, having a quick look at the Nasdaq100. Just to clarify, that the key takeaways from the video should be that overall the Nasdaq100 charts still look okay. Momentum is still positive, although even on the daily it's only just positive. The moving averages, especially that 50-day on the daily, are giving support, but on the daily and the weekly we've got concerns from the MACD. Keep your eye on those. Many thanks for watching this video. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.